Finally, let's look at the slabs. In the tab General, we get a preview of the design group. Like with the beam design, a slab design group consists of several elements which will be designed as a unified object. We then go for ULS design. Since the position of rebars hasn't been defined, it is necessary to specify their distance from the concrete edge. Please note that we are talking about the calculation distance. This means the concrete cover plus half of the rebar diameter, which we use as a design hypothesis. To know the direction of each layer, simply click on the line to display it in the preview. The directions are linked to the span direction of the slab, which is set when modeling the structural element. As ULS design also includes punching verification, we can choose to include this option and set the limit of the rebar ratio used before punching parameters would need to be checked. For SLS design, there are two steps to study. In the tab Crack Width, we can set the type of crack verification and the bi diameter, which will be taken into account in the formula. Similarly to the ULS tab, we can visualize layer directions in the preview on the right. The tab Deflection allows to set the deformation check based on an absolute limit, for instance the value of the span over a limit ratio. Be aware that if you work on a Revit model, which already contains 3D rebars objects, these will not be taken into account in this dialog, so make sure to correctly specify each parameters of the dialog.